Assalamu alaikum everyone. What I really liked about before we get into the Pepe update today is that on the daily time frame I saw an amazing climb on the RSI. We were moving down like this all the way to the downside and a little bit of a move back up here with a bullish divergence, and I really like how this one came to be. And not only did we do that, but back in 28 of February, 3 days ago, I said I have found my next trade. It will bleed a little bit more, then I'm going to give you an entry, right? So basically, this was it. If it's breaking, we will try it. If it goes for the retest and passes, we bought it and got that 18% win. And we were matching toe to toe with whatever this market was doing just right now. So let's get back into Pepe and see what is going on with Pepe. Right, so we are pumping up. In my opinion, we are looking for some few stop losses that are going to be taken away, right? A lot of people may have been opening up short position and whatnot, but I think you're looking for the retest at 941, right? Now, at least I can say 941 is very possible. Anything higher is going to be amazing, but I think it's going to go higher if it kinds of move up to 1154. So if you make it up to 1154, I think there are chances you could make it up to 1500 or 1400 as well. Now, there's one thing you have to keep in mind, and that is take this as a retest and not a definite pump. And what I'm going to say is the following, that again, I've said this in so many Pepe videos, that you had this trend line and you broke the trend line to the downside. Maybe you're just looking for that retest and some few stop losses hunt, and then you can go down. One last thing that I want to say, and I'm not trying to spread fear or FOMO or anything, but this is just my own thought, that when it comes to Bitcoin, number one, I don't know if it's going to be a CME gap like this. What is the symbol for the CME gap? Future trading. Anyways, I'm going to tell you what I'm trying to do here, right? $77,000 is still something that Bitcoin has not really touched. So when I kind of zoom in here one more time, we saw Bitcoin going down nearly to 78,286, right? It didn't really touch 77K, and 77K is exactly where you have your CME gap. So the gap still never got filled, right? And you're leaving a little bit of a room for drama. So maybe the trend line can also be a little bit like this, where you have some various support levels and you're going back for the retest. Bitcoin still has a little bit of chance getting rejected at $95,000 or $96,000 and then going down to 77K to fill the CME gap. That's something you have to keep in mind. But I think if Bitcoin makes it up to 103, then it could actually start to push higher. So these are two trademark. So you have to match this with one another. If Pepe makes it up to what, 1157, and if Bitcoin makes it to 103, it kind of clears the way to continue to move to the upside. If it doesn't do that, then there are chances that it's just going for the retest and could be rejected as well. So you know what to do. I've already told you the scenario. The pump is happening. I think 950, 960, 1000 is possible for Pepe. But if it does make it to 1157, then we're going to do good. Is that a song? No, 757 is the song. But anyways, that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.